Kia ora koutou. In this video, we're going to be looking at a new Rerepa using hia or Tokohia to ask how many. In the video about numbers, I introduced you to this counting system in Te Reo Māori. Now we're going to be asking and saying how many of something there is. If you're not familiar with numbers in Te Reo Māori, you might want to go back and have a look at this one first. You'll find this video in playlist number 1. Here's our basic question phrase, hia, which means how many. Let's start our English sentence. How many blank are there? While we don't actually translate the are there part of the sentence into Te Reo Māori, it just sounds more natural in the English translation. We'll start our Rerepa with hia, followed by ngā, and then the thing we're asking about. When we are answering these pātai, we need to know the language rules around using numbers. So the general rule is, if we're using numbers 2 to 9, we would use in front of the number. E rua, e toru, e whā, and so on. With the numbers 10 to 19, we don't use anymore, we just say the number. The number 1 has its own rule. We don't use and it is followed by te. So let's start with an example question and answer, and I'll show you what I mean. Let's say, how many flowers? E hia ngā puti puti. If there is 1 flower, ko tahi te puti puti. If there are 2, e rua ngā puti puti. 3, e toru, and so on. And this is the pattern we would follow right up until number 9. A couple of other examples for you now. If there were no flowers, we would say, kāore he puti puti. There are no flowers. Or you might say, kareko. If there were a lot of something, as in too many to count, we would say, he maha. He maha ngā puti puti. There are heaps of flowers. A few more examples for you now with some higher numbers, and we're going to use trees as an example. E hia ngā rākau. Between 10 and 19, we don't need to use before the number. We just say the number itself. And then the item we're counting. There are 10 trees, te kau ngā rākau. 11, te kau mātahi ngā rākau, and so on. Once we get up to 20 trees, we'll need to use in front of the number again because we're using rua. E rua te kau ngā rākau. In this last example, there are 74 trees. E whitu te kau mā whā ngā rākau. And this rule carries on until we get to 99. After that, we build the numbers just like we did in the original video, and then we apply these rules to them. So while here means how many things, if we want to ask how many people, we would say Tokohia instead. We would then add toko in front of the number instead of The other rules stay the same, and toko is only added to numbers 2 to 9. Here's a few examples. Here's our family, and here's our first example. Tokohia ngā tangata. How many people are there? There are 6 people. Toko ono, which is written as a single word. Toko ono ngā tangata. Tokohia ngā tāne. How many men? Ko tahi te tāne. There's 1 man. I've added some other examples here to show you how the structures work. Tokohia ngā pakeke. How many adults, and so on. The numbers between 10 and 19 follow the same rules as when asking how many things. So that's all for now about asking and saying how many things there are, or how many people there are. Have a go at using some of these as you go about your day, and you'll soon find yourself becoming more familiar with the structures as you practice using them. Please drop me a comment to let me know how you're going. Ka nui te mihi kia koutou. Hei kona.